From fields to your dinner plate, the journey of sweet corn is a fascinating story of American agriculture. In this video, we'll take you behind the scenes of one of the world's most impressive harvests. You'll see how advanced machinery and traditional methods work together to produce billions of pounds of this summer favorite. Ever wondered how that perfect ear of corn reaches your grocery store? Be amazed by the scale, precision, and technology involved in modern sweet corn farming. From planting to processing, we'll show you every step of this massive operation. The planting harvest corn by hand to ensure careful and meticulous selection of the ears. The manual harvesting process allows farmers to inspect each ear of corn, selecting only those of the highest quality. They can feel the ripeness and firmness of each ear, ensuring that only the best ears are chosen. If harvested by hand, a team of farmers might take an entire day or more to finish harvesting a large cornfield. The setup can include at least 5 pickers, working side by side in a synchronized manner. They gently handle and toss the corns into the wagons without causing any damage to the ears. The pickers need to be spaced correctly to cover the field efficiently, and they must work at a steady pace. Harvesting is a labor-intensive process that involves careful coordination of crews, equipment, and cooling facilities. The Oxbow 8840 introduces a completely new cleaning system that ensures cleaner loads, resulting in more crop per load with less trash. Compared to previous harvester models, the Oxbow 8840 delivers up to twice the productivity, making it a top choice for high-output harvesting operations. The Oxbow 8840 features the proven soft-touch technology, which incorporates an all-rubber conveyor designed to minimize kernel loss. The exclusive soft touch lift conveyor gently conveys the corn to the belted product conveyor, reducing impact between ears and preserving kernel quality. This gentle handling ensures that more of the harvested crop reaches its destination in optimal condition. The CP100 corn puller brings renowned corn puller technology, traditionally found in high-capacity multi-row commercial harvesters, to the fresh market sweet corn sector. This innovative machine allows a single operator to efficiently harvest up to 600,000 ears of damage-free sweet corn per hour, using a tractor with a minimum of 65 horsepower. The Oxbow 9630 leverages decades of expertise to provide seed corn producers with a reliable, high-capacity, and versatile harvester. It features a substantial on-chassis dump box with a 586 cubic feet capacity, ensuring efficient handling and storage of harvested crops. It is equipped with 46-inch wide conveyor belts throughout the cleaning unit, allowing for unrestricted product flow and minimizing delays during operation. For effective cleaning, the Oxbow 9630 offers the option of the Oxbow 600 series cleaning unit, which includes either high or low 30-inch diameter cleaning fans. This feature ensures a high-quality end product by thoroughly removing debris and impurities. The Oxbow 2475 self-propelled harvester is a highly advanced piece of agricultural machinery, designed for efficient and effective corn harvesting. Equipped with a 6-row 3630F header, this harvester can cover a substantial amount of field in a single pass, significantly reducing the time and labor required for the harvesting process. Key features include 4-wheel drive and articulated steering for superior maneuverability, a 910-liter fuel tank allowing for 24-hour operation without refueling, and high-capacity cooling to ensure consistent performance under demanding conditions. The dump box can unload at any height, further enhancing the harvester's flexibility and efficiency. This harvester is compatible with various picking heads, making it adaptable for multiple crops. The corn cobs are located directly on trucks, which bring them directly to the factory where they are processed and packed within a few hours. In small-scale corn processing facilities, the corn processing procedure is typically performed manually, with the primary involvement of workers. After being cleaned, the corn is placed into trays. Workers ensure that the corn is arranged in the trays, making sure each tray contains an even amount of corn and is not overly compressed. The corn trays are then sealed with plastic wrap and subsequently packed into cardboard or plastic boxes for easy transportation. At facilities with more modern machinery, the corn processing is automated and primarily carried out by machines. First, the corn is neatly arranged into compartments on the conveyor belt to ensure they are positioned correctly as they pass through the processing machines. The conveyor belt then moves the corn to the stalk cutting machine, where the stalks are quickly and precisely cut off. After the stalks are removed, the conveyor belt continues to move the corn to the husking machine. The husking machine operates by using rollers and a rotating mechanism to gently separate the husks from the ears of corn. Canned sweet corn is a popular and convenient product enjoyed worldwide. The production process of canned sweet corn at large-scale factories ensures that the product always meets high-quality standards and food safety regulations. First, the corn is loaded onto conveyors to begin the production process. The first step involves a machine that efficiently removes the husks from the corn. Outer layers of husk will be removed by rotating rollers or blades. Brushes or air jets may be used to eliminate any remaining husk particles. Each ear is inserted into the machine, held firmly and rotated for uniform cutting. Precise blades slice the kernels off the cob, calibrated to avoid damaging them and ensuring maximum yield. After detachment, the kernels fall onto a conveyor belt leading to the next processing stage, while the strip cobs are placed on a separate conveyor. Blanching follows the kernel removal process. Kernels are briefly immersed in hot water or steam to deactivate enzymes that could cause spoilage, preserving the corn's flavor, color, and nutritional value. The blanched kernels are then mechanically funneled into cans. The canning process involves preparing a brine or syrup solution to maintain the corn's quality. Kernels are packed into cans, leaving space for thermal expansion. A rotating filling machine handles 300 to 450 cans per minute, with the brine poured over the corn to cover it completely. An air removal step, often included in the process, creates a vacuum seal to prevent spoilage. The cans are sealed using a specialized seaming machine to ensure an airtight seal. And there you have it, the incredible journey of corn from field to fork. If you found this video eye-opening, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. It's amazing how much goes into producing something we often take for granted on our dinner tables. Want to see more videos about American farming and food production? Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on our latest uploads.